Okay.
Ooh, I like this one. I heard you mention fee-only financial planners. What is that, Amanda? We have 9 accounts, all with Vanguard. I want someone to review the investments to be sure I'm on a good path. Don't want anyone trying to sell me on a product, which is exactly what a fee-only advisor is. Do you want to take a stab at that one?
So fee only means that they're getting a flat rate for the assistance that they provide to you. So this means that you pay them one fee. They'll tell you up front what that fee is, and they're not getting commissions on anything that you purchase, and they have no interest in whatever it is that they're guiding you to purchase. Anything to add, Craig?
No, that's basically what it is. I keep running into people who have an advisor, and I guess they're very friendly, they're nice and kind and all that. And if I go to Investor.gov, which I recommend everyone, take your advisor, whoever you're listening to, type in their name at Investor.gov. It's run by the federal government, Securities Exchange Commission. It tells you what their certifications are. One key way to know if there's a potential of that person selling you something and them making money off of what they told you is if it says advisor and then there's a second certification called broker. They could, by law and be legal, that they could sit there and advise, look at everything, advise you on, oh, you need to be in this fund, you need to go get this insurance, blah, blah, blah. And then they switch over to that broker hat and they don't need to tell you. And now they're making money on everything they just told you, even though they said they were a fiduciary. And we had a couple podcasts earlier in July talking about this was coming. And a lot of companies operate that way. I don't want to go through the names of these companies. A lot of them have persons' names involved in them. You know, Ed.
Yeah.
Mr. Jones, stuff like that. So you got to be really, really careful. I know they're nice. They send you Christmas cards and all that, but you really need to make sure they fully disclose how they make their money. Fee-only advisors only make money from the time that they offer you, similar to a lawyer, right?
Yes, sort of. It depends on what type of lawyer you have.
There you go.
It depends, yes.
Yes, it depends.
So, Craig, where can people find these fee-only advisors? I know you have some great sites to send people to.
Yes, I have 2 great places to go to, and so does Consumer Reports covers the same exact topic. They also mention the same thing. The NAPFA, National Association of Professional Financial Advisors.org, and they have to sign an oath and everything like that. They only charge by the hour. They make nothing off of any of the securities or anything they recommend. The other one is the GARRETT Planning Network, which Consumer Reports talk. I love Consumer Reports, just like Costco.
Just like Costco.
We're not sponsored by either. GARRETT Planning Network is the same thing. They only have fee-only advisors on that website. Just put in your zip code, and they all come up right in your area, and you can interview a couple of them. They expect you to do that, and they have to disclose if they're going to make any money, and none of them are supposed to be. And if they do, you can report them. They'll be removed from the service. So we'll put that in the show notes.